This video we will be looking at how to do the CountIF and CountA function in Excel. So first we'll have to download the activity from the classroom. So we come to the classroom, we open this and open a new window and then we download this worksheet. So we click on enable editing. So if you look over here, there is a list of employees and the job that they are having and which company that they are working for. So over here I'm supposed to display the number of people working in PickMe, number of people working in Uber, number in Uber Eats, and the number that are employed. Okay, so for example, this person and this person are unemployed. Okay, anyway, so what I'll be doing is I'll be using a function which we call CountIF. So we'll be counting all the cells that have the word PickMe and displaying that number over here. So I'll be coming over here and saying insert function, and if you don't see CountIF appearing over here, you can simply type it over here, okay, and press the go button. So I do have CountIF over here, and I'm going to say my range is, the range for me is from here to here. I wanted to check the values from here to here. The criteria, what I'm looking for is this particular word. Okay, so now do remember that the address of this is absolute cell reference, which means that this address should not change when this formula is replicated. So you can press the function key 4, or you can put a dollar before D, before 2, a dollar before D, and a dollar before 13, which means lock this column and lock this row, lock this column and lock this row. Okay, this address obviously will not be locked because when I replicate, I want automatically this address should change and this address also should change. Okay, so I press OK, and it tells me over here there are 3 employees from PickMe. So let me pull this all the way down over here. They are saying 2 from Uber and 2 from Uber Eats. Okay, and when it comes to number of employees, I want to know from this list how many people are having a job, which means this person and this person should not be counted. Okay, so for this we have something which we call CountA. Okay, CountA, basically if you use CountA, what does it do? It counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Okay, so it will not consider the empty cells, it will only tell me how many cells are not empty. Okay, so I'm looking for the number of employed. So this is the ideal formula to use. So my range is going to be from here to here. Okay, and I'm going to say okay. So it tells me 10 people are employed. Okay, so that's how you use the CountIF and the CountA function. For your own practice, please do attempt the quiz that has been attached in your classroom.